Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill your Medicare enrollment form. First, it's crucial to understand the different parts of Medicare: Part A, Part B, Part C, and Part D. Knowing these will help you choose the right coverage. Next, identify your initial enrollment period, which is a 7-month window around your 65th birthday. Finally, gather all necessary documents, such as your Social Security number and birth certificate, to ensure a smooth application process. Now, let's focus on completing the form itself. Begin by accurately providing all your personal information, including your full legal name, current address, and contact details. It's vital to indicate your desired start date for Medicare Part B coverage. This choice can impact your premiums. Before submitting, meticulously review every section to catch any potential errors. Double-checking ensures your application is processed correctly and without delays. Once your form is complete, you'll need to submit it. You can choose to apply online, mail your application, or visit a local Social Security office in person. Whichever method you select, always remember to keep a copy of your completed application and any supporting documents for your records. After approval, you can typically expect to receive your official Medicare card in the mail within 3 to 4 weeks. Finally, here are some important considerations. Beyond original Medicare, you might explore enrolling in a Medicare Advantage plan, also known as Part C, or a prescription drug plan, Part D, for additional benefits. If you need personalized guidance, don't hesitate to seek free, unbiased assistance from your State Health Insurance Assistance Program, or SHIP. They offer invaluable support. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.